These are Google's fourth attempt at the Pixel Buds, and I think they have nailed it this time. Let's start with the case, which is pretty much the same as the Pixel Buds and the Pixel Buds A earbuds. It's just a little wider and still supports wireless charging. But for some reasons, Google did not provide the battery size on the case or the earbuds. The bigger size could be because of the new design of the buds. They still have the signature look of the Pixel Buds with the round touch area, but they are more in the shape of a pill now. So I have the medium ear tips on them, which came pre-installed. They fit really well and are actually very comfortable. And unlike the previous versions, they don't have that small arc, which after long usage made my ears hurt. The lack of the same arc, they can fall out of your ears if you are working out or running. The ear tips here are something Google calls pliable ear tips, which actually molds and adapts to the shape of your ear and helps making a decent seal. I think it actually works. You can check the seal within the settings of your Pixel Buds, and mine has always been spot on. But the most impressive feature for me is the active noise cancellation, and it works like a charm. It blocks out almost all the background noise, and for the times when you do want to listen to the outside world, you have the transparency mode. And with that turned on, it feels like you're not even wearing the Pixel Buds. But the most important thing about any earbud is how they sound, and the Pixel Buds just sound average. I would not recommend them if you want to buy them strictly to listen to the music. But here's the funny thing, all the wireless earbuds are not made for listening to music or anything else. The most important purpose they serve is convenience, and the battery life is a very crucial part of the convenience. On paper, the Pixel Buds maintains the industry standard, which is roughly 6 hours of single use and 30 hours with the charging case. But here's how I see the battery life. I only need to charge them once a week. That's my standard. Because I use them for a few hours every day and they never run out of battery before the end of the week. Now, for all of you who use them for phone calls, they actually have a fair bit of hardware just for that. For starters, you get 3 microphones on each earbud with beam forming technology, and they are covered with wind blocking mesh. And on top of that, you also get a voice accelerometer. You know what? Why don't you just listen to the mic test and judge it by yourself? So this is the mic test for the Pixel Buds Pro. I'm sitting in a quiet room and I don't have much background noise. So what do you think about the mic quality? Make sure to comment it down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up to support me and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And I will see you guys in the next one.